As you know, matter is divided into two broad parts. One is your mixture, another one is your pure substance. A mixture is a matter which contains two or more substances present in it in any ratio. So there is no definite ratio while making a mixture. For example, sugar solution in water. So if I ask you to add sugar in water, so it is up to you how much you add. There is no fixed ratio. Either you can make it too sweet or you can make it less sweet. So it depends. There is no fixed ratio. Whereas pure substances have characteristics very different from the mixtures. They have a fixed composition. For example, if I say water, as you know, water has 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So it is fixed. You cannot add 3 hydrogen or 2 oxygen. So you have to always give 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen in order to form a water. So water is a pure substance where the composition is fixed. Similarly, glucose. What is the formula of glucose? C6H12O6. There is 6 carbon, hydrogen 12 and oxygen is 6. So the composition is fixed. You cannot vary this composition. If you try to change this composition, you are not going to get glucose, but you will get something else, some other compound. So you can define the pure substance as those matters whose composition is fixed is known as the pure substances. So mixtures are divided into two categories. One is your homogeneous mixtures and another one is your heterogeneous mixtures. In a homogeneous mixtures, the components completely mix with each other and its composition is uniform throughout. So the meaning of this sentence is that, for example, sugar solution. So you know that a sugar solution is a mixture first of all, because you are adding with like no fixed ratio. And then how it is completely mixed, because if you are going to taste the sugar solution from the beginning to the last drop, you are going to get the same taste, right? So it means what? The sugar has completely mixed with the water, which means that the composition is uniform throughout. Now, heterogeneous mixture. In heterogeneous mixture, the composition is not uniform throughout and sometimes the different components are observed. So if I ask you to mix salt and sugar, what will happen? In some places the salt will be more, in some places the sugar will be more. You cannot mix it thoroughly, you cannot mix it uniformly. So this is the non-uniformity which is observed in heterogeneous mixtures. Now let us see the classification of the pure substances. It is divided into two parts. One is the elements, another one is a compound. So elements are those matter which has only one type of particles. If I am saying gold, I mean to say there is only gold particles present. If I am saying silver, there is only silver atoms, silver particles present. But if I'm saying compounds, there can be more than one element. Suppose water, which is a pure substance, as I have already explained. But water has two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, and it is fixed. So water is a compound.